Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. ScaleDimension enables you to modify the scale of a part by changing its dimensions. In this example, we have chosen to constantly display the dimensions of the functions. I create a second configuration in which I'm going to modify my part. In the Scale To configuration, I open ScaleDimension. I choose to scale of 2 and for the automatic option. All the dimensions will be multiplied by 2 except for angles and pattern instances. To illustrate, I've created an assembly in which my part is assembled 3 times. I've modified the second instance to display the Scale To configuration. We can check that all the dimensions except for the 120-degree angle have been changed. I add a third configuration, Other, in which I open the ScaleDimension again. I choose Manual Mode. It is now possible to filter according to type of dimension. I have chosen to select all dimensions. I can now work on this list manually. I do not want to change the fillet dimension of 5mm, so I've deselected it. I obviously do not want to modify the 120-degree angle, so I've also deselected this as well. I changed the scale factor from 3 to 4 for the 6mm hole dimension. I can change the scale factor from 3 to 2 for the 8mm hole dimension here also. When I return to the assembly and change to the third instance to display the other configuration, we can clearly see that all dimensions have been multiplied by 3 except for the 2 hole dimensions, the radial dimension and the 120-degree angle.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.